Hi everyone, I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I'm back to share a Amazon haul with you guys. I picked up a few bits that were crafty related and I thought I'd pop on and share those with you. The first thing I picked up was this. As soon as I saw it, I had to get it. I absolutely love Tangled. Yeah, it's like one of my favourite movies. This I did get for my books, but obviously you could use this for anything. You could put craft bits in it, you could do journaling, you could, yeah, you could use it for anything. I thought this would be perfect. I always take a book away with me when we go on holiday, and it's that kind of material that you could wipe over and wouldn't get things inside wet. So I thought perfect for taking to the beach or by the pool, that sort of thing as well. Also, if you've got like a Kindle, you could put that in there. Like I said, if you do journaling, or you just want to take some crafty bits with you when you go away on holiday, this would be perfect as like little travel bag. Like I said, it's easy to wipe over. It's got a front pocket here. I love that the print runs all the way through, and then it's got a big large pocket in the back, which is really cool. Yeah, so like I said, I've got it to put a book in. It does say I'll read a book or maybe 2 or 3. Obviously it's a quote from the film, but like I said, you don't have to use it for a book. I did also pick up one for my daughter as well. I haven't got that to hand. I have hid that because it's for her. I've put it away for her. She's got birthday card. I may give it birthday or Christmas because her birthday's in November. So, but I will put a picture of the image up here. Yeah, I got her a Beauty and the Beast themed one. Like I said, really good quality. The sew on it's really nice. The seam's really good. The zip. So I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, so that was the first thing I picked up from Amazon. Then I picked up this, which I'm so excited to give a go, and I've never had any of these before. So I've got this set, so I'll just quickly share with you. I got loads. It worked out cheaper to get more than less, if that makes sense. So if you bought it in like a bulk, it just worked out cheaper. So it's these like plastic domes. Hold on guys, I've got like 2 there. Like this. And I thought you could put, obviously you could put a lip seal in there, and you can add it to a gift tag, you could add it to a card. I thought for the kids' teachers be quite nice to put like a lip seal for Christmas in there or something. But I was also thinking I could roll cash. So I thought that was quite good. I could roll that in, put it on a card. So yeah, you could put cash in there. I'm sure there's other things if you want to send them out as craft gifts. You could put a load of beads, sequins, charms, and just add it to a tag or, like I said, a card. Yeah, I just thought it'd be really cool. I've got absolutely loads to last me, yeah, quite a long time. I can't remember. I think it's like over, no, I can't even remember, 50. I think it's definitely over 50, because I've got more in here. And also that came with it is this. So this is set. So yeah, so this die set, it comes with the tag, then comes with the pieces that would cut take one of these out again. Oh gosh. So you could use these to add it to this tag. Yeah, so that piece there would go over that, and you can add it to the bottom to cover that. It's got adhesive on the bottom as well that you just peel off and you'd stick down. I don't know how strong that is, so you may have to have extra adhesive. I'm not 100% sure what that piece is for. That's obviously to layer this tag. You could do a different bottom to the tag there, another layering piece, and then it comes with this. So instead of doing it on a tag, you could do a Christmas cracker, and again you could add that to a card, or you could even put that on top and add it to the gift tag and put that underneath. But yeah, I thought it was really cool. Like I said, I will try and link everything down below, but these were on Amazon. So that's those. I'm excited to try that. And then the last die I picked up was this one. And again, this was really cute. I saw this, and I don't have anything. I have one jar, but not like little bits to add into it. And I loved the layering piece on here, and then you could do like little gingerbread. You've got a little Christmas tree with all the little bits of layering. Yeah, I just thought it'd be really cute to do a Christmas jar. I'm wondering if I could fit that. No, but I might be able to use other dies for that as well. But yeah, so I've got that die set. And then the last couple of bits is I got two advent calendars. I've never had a craft, I'm just going to move these out there, guys, a craft advent calendar before. And I thought it'd be nice to get one to do and do like videos. I don't know, these could be old, last year's or this year's. I have seen these on Spellbinder's website still, so but I couldn't tell you if they're last year's or this year's. To be honest, doesn't bother me. Yeah, it honestly, it doesn't bother me. I 9 times out of 10 I prefer to buy the last year's stock because it's a lot cheaper, and it's new to me. I've not had it before. I just thought it was really nice. It's a crafty advent calendar. Oh, it is, yeah, it says it there. Yeah, so it is last year's, 2024. And obviously it was only, I think this one was like 20 something pounds and one was, I think, 30. So that's really cheap, because I think on there they're like 60. One was like £80. There's no way I was paying that for an advent calendar. But for this price, yeah, I thought it was awesome. So you get dies, stencils, stamps, embossing folders and embellishments, which is lovely because it gives you like a little project you can do every day or over the Christmas. So I'm going to share that with you guys. I thought I'd do, maybe not every day, but I would do some, yeah, videos sharing what you get in each one and what I make with each one as well. So it is a Spellbinder's Paper Arts Craft Advent Calendar, and it is 2024 one. So that's that one. And then the next one is this. I wonder if it says this. Oh, yep. So this is 2024. And it says Stitchmas. So you could do like little stitches with it, which is really cute. like that little penguin. You've got warm wishes, that die there, and like I said, you can do stitching. Really cool. And this one, like I said, you only get 12. So I'm excited to open this and have a play. And that's it, guys. That's all I have. Oh, I'm going to move that out of the way. Sorry about the glare, guys, but yeah, it's the only way I could kind of share it with you. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome week.